everybody, welcome to my channel, and today I'm bringing you guys my Walgreens haul. Now, I had a list of stuff. My store did not have everything labeled correctly, and sometimes when I scan the items it doesn't always show it. Like, it doesn't show it if you're gonna get a register reward. So some of the deals I wanted to do, like the Crest deal, my store was not labeled. So I'm just like, I'll just try it at my normal store. They're pretty good on setting sale. But I'm here to bring you guys my haul that I got for Walgreens. Now, the Whole Blends deal is an awesome deal. I would recommend doing that deal. I did not get those coupons in my inserts, so I ordered my inserts, and so I will hopefully be getting those in the mail tomorrow so I can show you guys the Whole Blends deal. And yes, I will be doing a second haul for you guys. My hair's like in knots. But yes, I will be doing a second haul for you. And depending on how good of a week it is, there might be a third one involved. So I know you guys love it. I love it. You love it. It's a win-win situation. So the first deal I got is cereal. I got the Cocoa Pebbles, and I also got Fruity Pebbles. Now, these are on sale for $1.99. There is a $1 off coupon on the Grocery Network something website. If you guys go to Lazo, L-O-Z-O, and you guys type in post. I gotta make a video to show you guys how to use that website. Type in post and it'll take you to this website to print these off. So just letting you guys know on that. But you guys want to use a $1 off of 2 coupon. You guys will end up paying just $2.98 for 2 boxes of cereal, which could be a decent deal. But then there is a 45-cent rebate on Ibotta for the Fruity Pebbles and a separate 45-cent rebate for the Cocoa Pebbles. That's 2 rebates. Hopefully you guys can hit. There's a bonus that's going on that ends, I think, tomorrow or Tuesday. So hopefully you guys can do that bonus. But you guys would end up getting both of these boxes for just $2.08. That's $1.04, which I think is a great price. I actually like Cocoa Pebbles. I haven't had Fruity Pebbles in years, but I'm kind of craving them, so I like cereal. I like cereal. I'm just a huge cereal fanatic. I did the toothbrushes again. My store did not have them labeled, so when I do my breakdowns for you guys, I'll be showing you guys different breakdown or a different picture. But these were unmarked, but these were $1.29. You guys want to buy 2 of them. You guys will end up paying $2.58 for these, but then you guys get 2,000 points for this, coming out to be just 58 cents. You can do this deal as many times as you want in one transaction. You guys can even pay with points, and these go towards beauty. So just letting you guys know on that. I plan on giving a lot of these ways. I'm going to be making homeless bags for my area, so I'm stocking up on a lot of toothbrushes because I plan on giving these guys some toothbrushes. So guys, will stay tuned for that. I also got the L'Oreal cleanser. Now, the picture that I took in the booklet, I thought it was for that one because it said it was cleanser, but when I had her scan it, that coupon did not work. So it's the coupon that is on the right side of the booklet, not the left side. So I took a picture with the left, but it's on the booklet on the top right. Just letting you guys know, I'm not trying to confuse you. I will do this deal again. So I ended up getting the L'Oreal Revitalift Skin Smoothing Cream Cleanser, blah blah blah, and the Revitalift Bright Reveal Brightening Daily Scrub Cleanser. So 2 different ones. The sparkly stuff is what got me. So got these 2 items. These were both $6.79 at my store. They're buy one get one 50% off, so $6.79 and $3.39. You guys want to use 2 $2 off coupons. That is on coupons.com. You guys would end up paying. Oh, and then you guys also want to use that $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. So you guys will end up paying $2.18 or just $1.09 for this. I think that's an awesome deal. I've been really into cleansing my face lately, and I'm excited to try these things once I'm done using my other stuff. So definitely do that deal. That is a great deal. I ended up doing Febreze. Now, I feel like these are not on sale as much as the other ones are. So these were 2 for $6. I used that buy one, get one free coupon that we got from the March P&G. So you guys would end up getting these just for $3. For 2 of them, $1.50 a piece. I thought that is a great deal. I just like sometimes to stock up on certain items. This one's got a big gouge in it. That's weird. Weird. The next deal I got is the CoverGirl eyeshadow. Now these are now this week buy one get one 50% off. So if you guys have those $6 off of 2 coupons, definitely use them. My coupon beeped, but she entered it in. I don't know why I'm having problems with those coupons everywhere, so I'm just letting you guys know on that. So these were $5.99 and it's buy one get one 50% off. So $5.99 and $2.99. You guys want to use that $6 off a 2 coupon. You guys would just get these for $2.98 or $1.49 a piece. So which is a pretty decent deal. I like the quad ones because you get 4 samples instead of the triple ones. So there's that deal. And then the great deal of the week. I don't know if it's up to, I don't know how much of it is for you guys, but I love stocking up on hand soap. So they got new scents, and I got the coconut water and blueberry, and then I get the Pure Zen, which is jasmine and water mint. These ones I think smelled great. They had 2 other scents, or I call them flavors, but I wasn't a big fan of those. But these are awesome. So you guys they're buy one get one 50% off, okay? So they're $2.99 at the store. Now they also have the deal with the other ones, but that coupon is only for the ones that are over, I don't know, but so you can't use a small coupon. You can't buy these with a small coupon. So you guys want to buy 4 of them. You guys want to use 4 my cat's being weird. 4 75-cent off coupons. So you guys would end up paying $5.97 for 4 of them. And if you guys want to, those coupons are also available on coupons.com. So you guys would end up paying $5.97, but then you get 4,000 points for buying 4 of them. That comes out to be $1.97 or just 49 cents a piece. I think that is going to be the hot item of the week, which I think is a great deal. Now this deal, you guys can also pay with points and get points. So just letting you guys know with that. So that was my haul. I had a couple other items in mind, but the whole blends, I didn't have that coupon. The Crest deal, my store didn't have the mouthwash labeled, so I'm trying to find some of their scenarios to show you guys. So stay tuned for a second haul. I always do a second haul to show you guys more deals, but I'm here to show you guys what I got for a grand total. Now, please get in mind that I get an employee discount. I'm not trying to take advantage of it. Some of you guys said that it's not fair. I'm sorry. My husband, it just works out for me if we're, you know, and if I didn't have the discount, it's not a big deal, but I just do it to show you guys even more deals. So I'm sorry. But I'm just explaining to you guys that I do get an employee discount. My husband works for the company. But my total came to $15.71. I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I also had a 25-cent off of any receipt. So I ended up getting $1.15 back with Ibotta. What are you doing, cat? Being weird. I ended up getting 18,000 points for bonuses. Now, if you guys look at the back of the receipt, $20 is 18,000 points. So I didn't get $18 worth of points. I got $20 worth of points. So I ended up getting 4,000 points for the soft soap. I ended up getting 4,000 points for the toothbrushes because it was 2,000 points for every 2 that you bought. I also hit beauty, so that was 5,000 points. And then I had a Catalina for if you spend $20 before, or $20, you guys would get 5,000 points. Now, that Catalina expired today, which was nice, but if you guys have that Catalina, you're not supposed to pay with points, but my total came to like, I don't even know how much it came to, but I ended up having like $20 worth of coupons, I think, if you guys add it all. But I only partially paid with points, so I did get my points. So, just letting you guys know with that. So, that came out to be $20 worth of points that I got. So, if you guys add everything together, it became a $5.44 money maker. I'm pretty excited about that. Yeah. $5.44 moneymaker. How awesome is that? I'm pretty excited. I love it when I have money makers. A lot of you guys enjoy it, and I just like to share it too. But if I bought a resets again, and I know it will, usually it resets in a day, and my other store has this in stock, I'm stocking up on the cereal deal again. I'm doing the toothbrush deal. I'm going to do the soft soap, and I'm going to do the L'Oreal and some other deals to share with you guys. So just be prepared for a second haul. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe. I hope to become friends with you guys. I love you guys. I respond to you guys. I talk to you guys more than I talk to my family and friends. So there's that going on. I spend my life more with you guys than I do anything. So click that subscribe button so, you know, we can chat some more. But I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all later. Bye-bye.